Set information. Go to Set. Information, player information, disk space. Player information, display software version and date. Disk space. When a TF card is available, it will be divided into internal memory SD card. Display free space, total space. Display free space, total space. Return. Set format device. Go to Set. Format device. When a TF card is available, it will be divided into format internal memory, format SD card. Tip: all data will be deleted. Continue. Select Yes and press Confirm to have the device formatted. Tip: format device. Proceed with caution. Once formatting is confirmed, all files will be deleted and unrecoverable. Before formatting, it is better to make a backup on your computer as needed. Set factory settings. Go to Set. Factory settings. Restore all settings: backlight luminance, screen protection mode, backlight time, shutdown time and volume and so on to their initial values without causing a pause of current playing at the background. The initial value of time won't be restored if time is preset. Select Yes to complete restoring factory settings.